Hello guys, another day, another cook from my student. This is his fourth launch and this is probably one of the craziest ones. Maybe not the biggest PNL because or you got sniped, but I'll show you exactly what happened. Make sure to use the referral link in my bio in order to get DogWifTools, or if you already got DogWifTools and want to get a session with me, open a ticket in the server. Enjoy the video. This node is gonna work. Okay, it works, okay. Perfect. I think we are good on that side. Now just fill out everything with your coin information. Yeah, the image is perfect. Is the website. What's up with the website? You do not like my mail. Chatten så larges Norvet. Gå flat på pillar, så small that you'll take a sunny thunder. 45 or is bond type, oh my fucking shit, let. Then I had a total spawn deadly puss. So we're power regularly, but it's like my third. What a comment, no, not a never as a jerk. So this is what happened. My student launched a coin, and what happened here was, as you can see, he got 20 Solana in one rug pull operation, launching a coin with a bundler and just dumping on the holders after migration. If you do this a few times a day, you can easily make some bank. Now let's move to the most important thing. Let me show you the perfect marketplace to find best tools for rug pulling and token launch. First, go to Google and tap Memorugs. Then click on the first website you see here in memerugs.com. You can find so many different tools for rug pulling. With absolutely cheap prices, these tools are cracked versions with lifetime licenses. Plus, you will benefit from every upcoming update. This is the page for DogWifTool. This is absolutely the best bundler. As you can see, it costs only 5 Solana for a lifetime license, including future updates, and all features are unlocked.